So Aura is a decentralized platform for hiring remote engineers globally. And we're specifically focusing on engineers coming from emerging markets like Africa, Latin America, Eastern Europe, and India.
Hi, I'm Bryan Colligan from Alphagrowth, and today we're here at the Crypto Invest Summit 2018. I'm here with Anastasia of Aura. Anastasia, how are you?
I'm wonderful. I'm really enjoying this conference.
It's a great conference. Tell me about Aura.
So Aura is a decentralized platform for hiring remote engineers globally. And we're specifically focusing on engineers coming from emerging markets like Africa, Latin America, Eastern Europe, and India.
Excellent, excellent. So is this kind of reminds me of like a hire.com or a freelancing site? Is that what this is like?
We are mostly focused on remote talent,
Yeah.
and we are adding the decentralized and blockchain aspect to it in several places where there are main pain points right now in the hiring happening.
Oh, so can you dive a little bit more into that? Like, how is blockchain solving this? What are these pain points?
I would love to.
Yeah.
So when you want to hire somebody remotely, the questions that are coming to your mind: how can I trust Sandeep somewhere in Bangalore, right?
Yeah, right.
Like, how can I trust that that's him?
Right.
How can I trust that he actually has this Java on the level of senior?
Yeah.
How can I trust that he's gonna deliver the code, right?
Absolutely.
And then how can I pay him?
Yep.
So that's also another issue, like especially if you have several people distributed around the world. How can you pay in China, in India, in Ukraine, in Belarus, and in Colombia? That's how my team is, literally. It's all over the world. So what we are doing, we're adding transparency to the reputation. We're using identification with Civic to add transparency to the identity. And second piece, which is more important when you're hiring somebody, is how can you trust their technical skills? Our AI algorithm analyzes technical skills in the code of a repository of an engineer. It stores this reputation to the blockchain. Then we're using the network effect of the platform to add additional skills that you want to add. So basically you're completing the challenge on the platform. It gets assessed by engineers of the higher level on the platform. This engineer is incentivized with a token. I mean, that makes perfect sense here. And this way you can build and grow your score and your profile on the platform. After that, the second piece is relationships. So now you have Sandeep, you trust that this is Sandeep, you know that he is, let's say, senior Java engineer, right? What do you do next? As a company, we're offering you a smart contract template that includes all the deadlines and payouts, amounts of payouts, delivery of the code, what are the criteria of acceptance of the code, or basically you can just use a smart contract to run the relationships. So the code been delivered on time, the payoff went out. In this case, both engineer is protected to receive money now, because right now what's happening is something like with Upwork, it's a real story. Sandeep, did you receive my payment? No, not yet. 5 days later, Sandeep, I sent you payment. Do you have my payment? I don't have my payment. So, like, and that's something that is solved with crypto transactions. Even though we're saying that they take long time, like somebody can wait 40 minutes and they're complaining it's a long time.
It's a long time.
But with Upwork, for example, payouts can be weeks. Average is 10 days, but by the Upwork contract, it's up 90 days. So like you completed the job, but you're still waiting for money.
That's right.
Or for example, also with Sandeep, could be the issue is that he said that he's gonna deliver code on Friday, and you don't have the code. And that's also a bigger problem. And then, like, how do you manage this?
That's right.
With a smart contract, like, it's clear the code wasn't delivered. The fee for us is this. So either the contract is stopping, and it's done, and the engineer gets bad review, or you can work over different terms of it. And the last piece is the transactions in stablecoins, basically crypto, where you can come to the platform, bring any currency you have, transfer it anywhere in the world with one click, and just manage all the payouts, all the payrolls with a distributed team.
Great. So where are you in the life cycle of this project?
We launched beta months ago. We're launching a second version of it, more updated, in December, at the same time of our hackathon. That's the other part.
So you got a hackathon. Is it an international hackathon?
We were doing hackathons in Bay Area for the past year and a half for blockchain engineers. That's how we started building our first community. And now we realized that hackathons should be distributed. They should be online, and that's something that a lot of companies and talents are asking, like, how you're gonna do that? My question now is how you're not. Because when you have something that is online, and that's how we learn to work with offices, right? So before we had a team in the office, and now you have team all around the world.
That's right.
Same with hackathons. So before you had people who are coming to the office space to work on a hackathon, now we have people all over the world who are going to be working online at the same time. They're going to have mentorship through Zoom. They're going to have sign-ups through our platform. They're going to be rewarded. So everything's going to be very simple and done smoothly online.
And I think it's interesting, the certification platform that you have, you can start to utilize this on the hackathon itself to find talent, right? So you put them through the process, you get them on board, and if they win a hackathon, maybe you put a little badge or something next to them.
You got it.
That starts to create your supply.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You were also telling me an interesting story around Nigeria and something about Zuckerberg.
Yes, so not many people know that Nigeria is actually an incredible market for developers.
Yeah.
It has the same, so most of the people know that Ukraine is a good one, right? And I'm Ukrainian, and
Yeah.
even though I'm Ukrainian, I still say that yes, Ukraine is incredible.
Yeah.
It has the same time zone with Ukraine.
Okay.
So there are amazing teams that are collaborating between Ukraine and Nigeria, for example. And a few years ago, there was a company I started called Andela.
Okay.
And what main goal of Andela was to bring tech education and tech jobs to Nigeria, because founder is Nigerian, and Nigerian government is supporting tech so much. Like I was just on a meeting with Nigerian vice president. First thing he said is, Africa is gonna be the biggest continent in terms of population by 2050.
Wow.
We need to give jobs to these people.
More than Asia?
Yeah. They're growing, they have on average 3 to 5 kids per family.
Oh my God.
So think about it, like they are growing so fast and we don't even know about it. And all these people are gonna need to work somewhere.
Absolutely.
And tech for them is the way to enter the global economy.
That's right.
Because they have all these tech in universities and all these talented, hardworking people with family values, and that's who you want to hire.
Exactly.
So Nigeria for us is also a targeted market, and Andela was supported by Mark Zuckerberg Fund. They raised 50 million to build these boot camps. Right now they're growing and developing. We're looking to build partnership with them as well. And
is there any specific skill set with these boot camps that they're going?
Those guys were doing React.
Wow. How many people? Do you have any ideas on like?
I don't know how many. I know that their boot camps were. I know that acceptance rate to the boot camp was less than 1%.
Jeez.
And one boot camp was around 100 people, and they were just like going and going.
So they're just going to crank out React developers backed by Zuckerberg, which Facebook, the React is actually owned by Facebook. So there's the connection point there. He's building up his ecosystem and economy and building on a global scale. That's awesome.
Exactly.
So
we're doing similar thing right now with blockchain. We're engaging with educational centers around the world. We're supporting them with mentors. That's why we're running hackathons. We're partnering with the company from North Bay, California, that's called Zeden. And they all came from universities. And they started this boot camps and online education. Their also target markets are emerging markets. So basically we're coming to this young students who are eager, who are aiming to become workers, employers, and they don't want to work on some small local projects. They want to be involved into something innovative and big. And blockchain and AI and like other cutting-edge technologies are something that they're dreaming about. They just don't have access to it.
That's right.
And like I'm personally from Ukraine. If I wouldn't get involved in tech, I wouldn't be sitting here today.
That's right. The opportunity.
It's
the
knowledge,
tech provides.
Technology.
Absolutely, completely agree. All right, so you're here at Crypto Invest Summit. It's an excellent conference. Who are you looking to meet today? What are you looking for here today?
Well, we are looking for the companies who are ready to give their challenges for the hackathon. For all those 500 engineers that's going to be participating from all over the world. Also, we just started our round. We're doing a small round for the crypto company, 1 million of security tokens. So I'm meeting investors here who are investing in security.
Excellent.
We have incredible token economy, which is now, I think, 20 2018 token economists are so much more interesting.
Yeah.
Because we've already seen other token economists fail.
Right.
And now we have that knowledge to actually build something
and we
sustainable.
can learn from it, evolve, iterate.
Yeah.
Cool. And Anastasia, if people want to meet you or get in contact with you, learn more about your project, how do they do that?
You can find me on Facebook or Instagram. It's Anastasia Green or Aura everywhere. Also, our website is auracoins.io or myaura.io.
Perfect. Anastasia, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Excellent.
My pleasure.